Alright, hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be trying some spacers that Devin got from a guy at work to see if they'll fit on the Jeep. We know we don't have the lug nuts for them, but we're just going to see if they'll fit before he tries to sell them.
Oh, 33s.
Fucking asshole. Who called me? Oh. JK. Look at all those spacers.
Nope.
Nope. Hub's too big.
Yeah. Hold with line.
Holes with line, but the hubs are too small.
Yeah.
Well, now you know you can't use spacers off of a 2015? 2012 Dodge Ram? Yeah. On a 75 Jeep. Well, let's take a peek under here while he's got it lifted up.
Drums, baby.
Yeah, drums all the way around. We've got the two back ones freed up now, but just not the front. Take them off, check, see how they are.
Reach over there and pull that little cord for the parking brake. Let's just see if that's the problem or not. Got some.
Get over here and I'll show you. Not very bad.
Yeah, it's just seized. Okay. It's probably the wheel cylinder. Probably the problem. Tell me if they move.
They're moving. They just moved. Alright, since it freed up the last side, we're going to see if we spray this side if it might free it up.
I bought this boat.
Alright, we finally got the trim off. Yep, these are frozen up too.
Too bad this thing doesn't have like a bleeder. Oh, it does have a bleeder.
I would just clean it off like you just did and see if it works.
We'll see. That's why I'm moving this, because this is the thing that spreads them out. And if this thing's solid, it won't spread them out, which is not solid anymore. Watch this. Oops.
Yep, they're getting there. There they go. Spreading apart. Yep.
The hub this was locked, right? Which means it's not going to spin unless the other side spins. The brake, let's see here. The drum was seized with the hub being unlocked. Now it's locked. It's moving both sides. Right? Before, it wouldn't move because that one was on the ground, obviously, because it's not going to move because it's locked. Now that it's unlocked, right now, the side would free spin by itself without spinning the other side.
Okay.
Before it wouldn't because it was locked up. The mechanisms inside the drum, all the drum pieces in here, were locked up and they weren't moving.
Awesome.
So I'm gonna push the brake. You see if you can spin that.